Hello, Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullah.
Can you introduce yourself and your current position right now?
Okay, hi. My name is Muhammad Lokman bin Darus. I'm currently working with DHL IT Services. It is a part of one IT department for DHL Group. I'm currently working as a senior cargo specialist, which handles day-to-day operation for DHL Global Forwarding business.
Can you brief about company background, including main products and service? Why supply chain management is important to your company?
Okay, so actually DHL was founded in the years of 1969, where it is first located at San Francisco. Only at the later time they moved to Germany, Frankfurt, as their main hub HQ. So specifically DHL Group consists of 5 different big departments, serve a different value of the products. At first we have DHL Express, more specifically with these airline businesses, where we do have the own aircraft or leasing aircraft owned by DHL. So every single business using an airplane handled by this particular department, which is DHL Express. Okay. Second one, we have DHL Supply Chain, where this department are focusing on warehouse management business, or which is we can call that as one of the DHL Group product as well. The third department or the third product we have is DHL Global Forwarding, which is slightly different to the DHL Express business perspective, where DHL Global Freight Forwarding are focusing more to leasing a cargo movement within different airline, and also including ocean ship, road, and as well the freight train. Okay, the last one we have DHL e-commerce, where we this particular department focusing more towards the e-com businesses. Like we may know, the e-com business grew very much since couple more years back. Then we have Shopee, Amazon, Temu and everything outside. They still need us as the transporter to deliver their shipment, their products to the end customer, right?
Okay, Encik Norman, what is the strategies for the company to manage the inventory, logistics, and ensure to smooth operations?
Okay, so basically in DGF, or we call it DHL Global Forwarding business, we have one big or one mission critical system runs 24/7. The system called CargoWise, which is some sort of logistic system used worldwide as well, which means that not only DHL Global Forwarding use this particular system, it is also used by the other freight forwarders available in the market. So what CargoWise does here is it is managing every single point on the business operation, where when it start to book the cargo until we deliver the cargo, every information are stored here. And another big important part of CargoWise also, it is integratable, which means that any other outside of system, for let's say you want a mobile apps to run in the front, in the customer service front, which is that maybe one of the main revenue came by opening a booth. So you need some sort of system control the booking there. So you can just create a simple Google form, and then you can extract it to the Excel file, and we can build a flow to automate and integrate all the data inside CargoWise system. So CargoWise is simply as a heart of the DHL Global Forwarding business here.
Encik Lokman, are there any technologies or system such as ERP or GIT or digital tracking tools used to support supply chain activities? How effective they are?
In DHL, we use pretty much every single technologies exists in the market. Okay, I just named 2, which is Microsoft and Salesforce. These 2 main systems serve the needs on every point that you can tell about supply chain activities. For example, you want to do a customer-centric data collectors. Salesforce is there to serve you to collect customer data, and then in order to serve you better in future, where you know in advance what kind of customer you can expect, then eventually you can just simply build a product within your data set there from the Salesforce. Then it can be simply justify your future revenue in the business. And also about Microsoft, we knew that every company here are using emails and all the important apps or important application in the daily work, right? So you are simply integrated inside one big environment, which is Microsoft there, serve every single need you require, because you don't need any other system to integrate. It just simply as you are taught each other within one house, you just talk within your siblings, you just talk with your parents. That's why Microsoft have this capability in the market there.
Okay, we move to the next question. How does the company ensure flexibility and resilience in its supply chains, especially when facing disruption such as supplier delay, demand fluctuation, or external uncertainties?
DHL use a combination of high-tech digital tools and a strategic diversification model to handle everything from sudden port closures to spikes in holiday shopping. So, for example, we have digital visibility and predictive AI, artificial intelligence. So DHL's secret weapons for resilience is its ability to see crisis before it hits. That's the powerful of the AI usage. So Everstream Analytics, or formerly called Resilient 360, uses this AI-powered platform to monitor global risks in real time. It tracks over 1,000 sources, whether protests, customs delays, or even alerts managers immediately. Okay, so in DHL, we have also a department called Control Tower, which is like a air traffic control tower, where it serves or it control cargo movement and immediately give managers 24/7 visibility over every shipment, allowing them to reroute trucks or planes instantly if a delay occurs.
Now, Mr. Luman, I want to ask you about how does the company define quality and what steps are taken to ensure consistent quality in daily operation?
Okay, thanks for the question. So, DHL has been scheduled to renew its own business strategies every 5 years. So, for this year, we have 2030-2030 strategies, and it has been designed with 4 pillars. Number 1, employer of choice. Number 2, provider of choice. Number 3, investment of choice. And number 4, green logistics of choice. This should sound very big for every personnel who work for the DHL company, as to ensure the global standard and always provide quality work from booking until cargo is delivered.
Now, I want to ask you about how does the company monitor and measure quality performance, and how is feedback from customer or internal audits used for continuous improvement?
At the first place, we have the point of how quality is measured, which is DHL tracks service quality using a hard set of key performance indicator (KPIs) that are monitored in real time through control towers. Number 1, the big important item here is on-time performance (OTP). The gold standard LDHL is to measure the percentage of shipments delivered exactly when promised. Second one, we have delivery accuracy, which is we track if the order was complete, undamaged, and delivered to the correct person. And we do have also Net Promoter Score (NPS), where we uses the Net Promoter approach to ask customer one question: how likely are you recommend a DHL? And the follow up is, if a customer gives a score of 6 or below, DHL has a policy to contact them within 2 weeks to identify and fix the root cause. Besides that, we have also a first choice methodology, where this is the engine behind DHL continuous improvement in the first choice program. It is based on Six Sigma and Lean principles using DMAIC cycle. What is DMAIC? D is define for, let's say, what is the customer's problem. M, measure what is our current performance data. A, analyze what is the root cause of the delay or error. I, improve, which is implement a solution. And the last one, control, monitor the fix to ensure the problem doesn't return. And we have also the last one, which is closing the feedback loop, which is DHL doesn't just collect feedback, but then they just close the loop to drive change.
Encik Lukman, next is based on your observation, what improvement would you recommend to further enhance the company's supply chain efficiency and quality management in the future?
Okay, thanks for the question. So, DHL is currently running on Strategy 2030 by aligning the latest industry trends, using scaling agentic AI and generative analytics, where here AI helps you a lot with the business, tells you upfront and can suggest what action should be done to avoid or to enhance the efficiency and the quality of service. Number two, we have also deepening the circular supply chain. Quality management shouldn't end when a product is delivered. It should include how a product is returned or recycled. We also invest more in reverse logistic infrastructure, specifically for high growth sectors like electric vehicles, EV, batteries, and medical devices. The third one, we have brownfield warehouse automation. Actually, not every warehouse can be a brand new high-tech facility. Many are brownfield sites, existing older buildings. By this, we accelerating the development of flexible, modular robotics like Locus Robotics or Boston Dynamics Stretch into all the facilities that were originally designed for automation. The last one, we have hyper-local elastic logistics. With the rise of e-commerce, the last mile is the most expensive and error-prone part of the chain. We are here to utilize predictive demand analytics to move inventory into micro-fulfillment centers inside urban areas before a customer even orders. So, as a conclusion now, this elastic logistics approach allows DHL to shrink or grow capacity instantly, improving delivery speed, which is the efficiency, and ensuring that the customer promise of same-day delivery is met, which is we give them a quality.
Okay, Encik Umban, thank you so much for spending your time with us by coming to our interview session today. And we also hope that DHL company can be more successful in the future and can maintain their standards globally.
Okay, thank you so much. Most welcome to have you.